this is Valgro Heiser's bent tube and oval tube polishing machine, capable of polishing tubes from 10 millimeter diameter up to 100 millimeter diameter. Using a planetary head, we can auto feed straight tubes through it, and you'll see later we can retract the feed system and then accommodate for bent tubes. So here we'll show a demonstration. This is a 50 millimeter diameter stainless steel tube. You can see the defects in the surfaces and the scaling. And we'll start the machine. Very simple operation, easy to understand.
Speed can be increased. Inside the VFD have the speed can be increased.
So we have a speed control surface on it, so depending on the amount of defects that we have in the part, some parts can be fed through faster, other parts need a little bit more time to be ground away. And you can see what a beautiful finish we're getting on the outfeed. Very low vibration, very uniform finish, and very easy to operate.
So this machine is really wonderful because in this case the tube is not rotating. The tube is stationary condition with from one end to another end is a auto feed system. So no vibration, less than 80 dB is that noise level, which can be advisable in industries. So this is a really wonderful machine. We focus for the North American markets.
Can we see what the oscillating head looks like?
Yeah.
So it's a two-belt planetary head that's going to rotate around the part, as well as the belts are feeding through there. So with the pipe stationary and that rotating around it, gives it very, very, very stable operation, very little vibration. So the consistency of the finish is going to be very good.
Yeah.
Very nice operation, very good.
And the belt change is also very quick. Just we have to remove this bolt.
Okay, loosen the tensioning on it, and then slide a new belt on. Then you can equip it with different grits based on what the finish is required and how much metal needs to be removed. So a very easy changeover. Very nice.
This machine is available with the multi-head also. So if customer need to be more production and big production house, and they need to be 100, 200, 300 or 400 with the polish with the mark production, so we can offer them multi-head also this machine, 4-head or 8-head, depend upon that requirement. If customer want mirror finish machine, then we can suggest up to 1000 grit or 1200 grit, they can achieve the mirror finish also. So this machine is really, really beautiful, and so many railing manufacturer in sea coastal area or big building, they are very advisable this Valgro RTB series round tube polishing machine in their workshop, their shop floor.
Very good.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you, Glenn. Thank you.